Do you want to learn how to record, mix, and edit your audio in Adobe Audition? If you said yes, you're in the right place. This is your complete guide to Adobe Audition. Whether you've played around with Audition or you're completely new to it, this is the course for you. We walk you through the entire process, from getting started, recording audio, adding audio and editing it together, making it sound better with effects and professional adjustments, mixing it to make it sound amazing altogether, and exporting it and saving it in the perfect formats for sharing with the world. We'll show you the entire process. My name is Phil Ebener, and I'm the founder of Video School Online, where we strive to make the best online courses. With this course, I partnered with Nodder, who is a professional multimedia producer and DJ, and he is so excited to get started and help you learn Adobe Audition. Really, there's no reason to hesitate enrolling in this course. We have a 30-day, 100% money-back guarantee, so you can take it without any risk. Feel free to read the course description and check out the entire outline below to see everything you get with this class, including the downloadable project files that you'll be using throughout the course so that you're learning and practicing real-world skills throughout the entire course. Just click that enroll button to get started with Adobe Audition, and we'll see you in class.